guys, it's been a while. Took a little break from making YouTube videos. I'm back at it, 2025, hitting it hard, hitting the car scene hard. Got the Mazda over there, working on this Camaro, doing some catalytic converter work on it. But that is not the point of today's video. Today we have my cammed BTR Truck Norris Chevy Silverado going to Shift Culture's grand opening season opener. I don't know how to speak sometimes. Burnout contest, and I got me some spares. They don't allow bulbs, so these will be plenty meaty enough to burn on the trailer until they frickin' explode. So I'm really excited. I'm swapping them on right now. This will be my first burnout competition I've entered, and we're gonna have some fun. So let's change out these tires. I got some stuff to do today. I can drive on them. I'm not worried about them. Let's go. This DeWalt impact has served me well. Thank you, Zach Calvin. I got it from you many years ago. It is not strong enough sometimes, though. You know what I don't understand is the truck's in park. It still allows for the wheels to roll. Anyone explain that to me? We are on the way to Shift Culture's Cars Under the Stars burnout competition and car show. We already have people riding out. I see a slammed Acura fucking RSX. Let's go give them some sauce. We got a lot of traffic. Thing's pretty clean. We're here at the show, ready to rip some fucking tires. Nice Honda, bro. What we got here? Oh shit. Famous Ferrari, Hellcat, the GTR with the crazy bumpers. Ooh, look at that Ferrari. That thing's sweet. What is this?
Yeah, I know. This
a Cadillac with the freaking Cummins in it. That thing's sweet. Bro, a 12 valve swapped Cadillac. What is this thing? An Eldorado?
Sedan DeVille.
Sedan DeVille? Sheesh. Thing is nuts. These dumbasses, they're gonna lose to a truck. They're gonna lose a burnout competition to a truck.
Jordan, both feels nice. I finish my breakfast, shorty's out to lunch. We both eating, it's better than brunch. Shorty like Pepsi, me I'm the Coke.
Lots of muscle cars out tonight. And a trash can. Got the food trucks over here, the famous egg roll truck, burgers, some spicy stuff, ice cream. This guy filming, and then we got me filming. This phone. Ready for the burnout contest. Got my homie Grant riding passenger princess.
Partner in crime for all the bad decisions.
Yes. Wow. This is a lot of people. Woohoo! Holy crap. Look at all the people here ready to watch the burnout contest. Ready for some tire explosions. I did not win the burnout competition, but that sounds good. Now we got a big block freaking Impala?
Yeah.
They're next. This thing, Dodge Magnum with a Charger front end. Conversion's sick. So I made it home from the event. Didn't win, but I had a great time at Shift Culture. They always put on a great show. Gotta swap out the tires again. Maybe I will burn them off in another video completely until they pop. I got 2 more to do, so it'll be a pretty interesting video, but Silverado did great. Did a couple pulls on the way home. Man, them single cab RCSB F-150s with the 10 speeds, they're fast. This truck does not like the 6-speed with the 308 gears. It's not a dig truck. It needs boost. Definitely needs boost. But anyways, I'm home. Had a great time. Awesome turnout. Most cars I've ever had there. Over 300, they said. It was awesome. I just can't wait for the next event. See you out there.